How to sign out of Facebook Messenger on other devices. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After checking on that, simply launch the Messenger application on your device. Here, make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen. As you do that, tap on the gear icon over here and then scroll down to the very end, and here you can see the option of see more in account center. So tap on see more in account center and then scroll down and tap on the accounts option. So as you tap on accounts, you can see different profiles that you have on your device. So when you want to delete or sign out of Facebook Messenger on other devices, simply tap on the profile of your Facebook and then tap on remove option. So just tap on remove and it gives you option that it will get removed from account center and other devices where you have logged in as well. So you can just scroll down and you can select whichever option, such as remove account over here, and then you will be signed out of Facebook Messenger on other devices. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.